All right. Check out the 4 hour here. So we've got unmitigated fair value gap here. I'm marking out the 10 a.m. Well, maybe I'll start recording later. Anyway. Okay, that's about all I can do for the 4 hour. So, so if we're gonna go bullish, this would be our target, right? And that's about it. I'm gonna have 1 hour. Right. I'm just going to leave that there. I'm not going to mark this up. That's just this is the 1 hour fair value gap, but I like the 4 hours lower, so just leave that as is. And then take a look at 15 minutes. Anything else? That's been hit. Okay, so there's like a looks to be like an order block here. Well, it's already tapped into though. Okay, nothing on the 15-minute really. 5-minute. So I just marked up like a higher time frame 4 hour fair value gap. I just figure if it's going to be bullish, then it's going to run up to this, be a good draw on liquidity. So we'll leave that there to 9 p.m. And then I was just marking out the 10 a.m. high and low from this morning. So I guess I could do 2 p.m. as well. Let's just see what that is. Okay, well, I could do 2 p.m. low. I just like using those 4-hour candles as kind of time levels, I guess. And then on the 5 minute, all I did was I marked out the first presented 5 minute for value gap. It's just seems to be a. I mean, look how it consolidates on it. It's just like a. It's either an attraction or a draw or a good thing to reject off of or inverse. So if we inverse this, then I'm bullish. If we reject off of it, then I'm bearish. Pretty much, that's all that is. Anyway, not that big of a deal. I'm just going to leave that as is and then go into the 30-second chart. Gosh, it's so far over. Anyway, I don't really use these draws too much, other than the first 5 minute presented fair value gap, just because they're so far away, and there's just not enough volume in Tokyo. So I just basically just trade um, mechanically. I just wait for displacement and then pull back into it and then trade it. That's it. So we'll see what happens. Also, this is my evaluation account. I better put that up here so no one freaks out on me. So I need $250 is what I need to pass this account. Okay. Where did I put this? Right there. There we go. Okay, here we go. Tokyo Open. Definitely bearish. Wow. Look at that. Dang. Wow. Oof. Okay, I don't need that. Oops. I want New York PM. Oh, perfect. Look at that. 2 p.m. low is New York PM low. Okay. So the shorts are in. If we can get a fair value gap continuation short, oh man. Great. And, oof, man, it's going quick tonight. Whoa, it's going quick. Oof, there's a lot of volume tonight. Dang. Okay. Ooh, it's gonna be a big stop loss. 10 points on gold. Oof. Pretty crazy. All right, whatever. It's gonna have to happen. You're selling? Nope. Nope. Didn't get it. Okay. Ooh, that's gonna be a big stop loss. If we get a fair value continuation play on this one, it's gonna be a big stop loss. Holy cow! 13 points. Eesh. What is that? Okay, 268. Okay, that'll work. Okay, good. Good. Now if we get to close below this, oh man, just hold up. Hold up. Like a 12 pointer. Still nothing. Okay, it's gonna happen here because we got bearish, bullish. If we get a bearish candle on here, it's definitely gonna run down. This is one of those plays where I want to have a sell stop in place, but I'm not gonna do it. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Nope. Not yet. Oh, I didn't start recording. Oh, forgot. Okay, now I'm recording. So missed all that action. I just was setting up for this potential sell. We'll see what happens. I need to close below previous candle low. This is like one of the scenarios where it just races way down, but I'm not going to jump in until it happens. So need confirmation. Okay, now we might be going bullish. No. Oh, that's crazy. Right on the line. Come on. Next 5-minute candle is going to open and it's going to race down potentially. Nope. Let's play around. Okay. This is what I like about Riley's model is that unless you get confirmation, you're just staying out of this stuff. Such a good model. Of course, if we close above the 50% of this fair value gap, then the shorts are either no good or we just have to wait a little bit longer, wait for another setup. Oh, pay attention. Don't do it. Don't do it. Yeah. Okay, we're still in. Okay. Still valid. Could happen here. Could happen. Thing is, now we've got a bullish fair value gap here. But that could be a good inversion because the 50% is still holding. It's got to close below this now. Okay, now we definitely have to wait for the inversion. Or it goes bullish up back up to this 5 minute fair value gap. But I'm not going long. Still respecting this thing. So. Well, I don't know if anyone's on the stream, but if you're following along, if you know what I'm doing, but basically just waiting for a close below previous candle low out of this fair value gap. That's all I'm doing, which you can see it's struggling because it's being held up by this bullish fair value gap right here, obviously. So it's either going to just rally off of it or it's going to break down. So it's kind of binary. One or the other. But I really don't want to go long. I just don't want to go long. I say that because this is just a big fair value gap. I mean, to inverse that, it's going to take a lot. So, oops. Wow. I almost feel like if it's gonna go break down bearish, it's just gonna like put in a giant, a giant candle, and then you're gonna be like, oh, I missed the move, you know. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in there. I can't open my other chart. Oh, okay. Sketchy. I'm gonna put my stop at 8 points. See what happens. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. So we did get a candle close below previous candle low right here. It's just iffy because it's just so close. Still in it, but if we go above if we close above the 50%, then I'm out. Or obviously if we get stopped out, then we get stopped out. Yeah, gonna get stopped. Ah, bummer. Okay. Well, can't win them all. Bummer. Stop. Oop, no, stop on first trade. So now what I'm going to do is just wait because probably going to wait till 2100 just because the hourly macros are just a bit more friendly to price action. Obviously, this was not, didn't work out, but it's a good trade. I guess it's a valid trade because it closed below. It's just really close. That's all. But I'm not gonna do any more trading until 2100. Now it's gonna. Of course, now it's respecting it. Okay, now it's respecting it. Of course. Oh. I'm on another account over here. I'm gonna go short. Not this account, but if you hear something, that's what that is. Okay. Well, anyway, I'll probably start up another stream in a little bit. Come back at 9 p.m., 2100, and see if we get another setup. If not, then wait till midnight.